Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Cut a white circle. We're going to make a Santa Claus face and keep it aside. Now using 3 straws, we're going to combine all of them and put them on this paper cup. Make 3 holes and paste the Santa Claus on the top of it. And look, your moving Santa Claus is ready. Make a hole on this paper cup. Now we are going to draw a snowman and the hat as well and put it inside the hole on the paper cup. Paste all of them together and look, it's ready. Take a white craft paper, make multiple fold on it and make a triangular shape. Now draw lines on it. We are going to make a snowflake design using pencil. Now take a scissor and cut all the lines like this. Open it gently and look, it's ready. Let's make this colorful snowflake design. So we are going to take this orange color of paper, fold it, make a triangular shape. Now draw lines on it. Now we are going to cut it like this. After this, we are going to open it and fold the alternate strips like this. Now flip it and do the same from this side as well. After this, make more such colorful shapes and combine all of them together and your snowflake is ready. Let's make these beautiful snowmans. Look how pretty these are looking. So fold this white craft paper. Now draw a snowman using this bottle cap. Draw its hands. Now cut it using a scissor. Now open it and you will get 4 snowmans. Now color it. So take out your colorful sketch pens and look, these are ready. We are going to fill this bottle cap with clay and this way it will move like this. Now cut the snowmans like this using white craft paper. Paste its hands and hat. Now draw its face. Now paste it on the top of the bottle cap and look, it's ready. We're drawing a snowflake design on this black craft paper. Now we are going to add more lines like this. After this, paste glue on the top of the lines like this. Now take out some powders or you can also use some glitter powder. Spread it like this and look, your snowflake is ready. Going to make this beautiful flower design using craft paper. So fold this red craft paper and draw lines on the top of it. Now cut all of them, open it and look, it's ready. Similar way, we're going to paste a double-sided tape at the center and make the petals and look, it's ready. Let's make this beautiful origami design. We are going to fold this purple craft paper, make multiple folds and cut a triangular shape. When you open it, you will get a heptagon shape. Now we are going to fold it from its sides like this. Do the same from all its 6 sides like this. Now we are going to fold it like we are doing here and we are going to make this mini shape. Now fold it from its corners as well and do the same from all its sides. Flip the paper. Now fold it from this side as well and make a star shape like this. After this, we're going to press all the triangular shapes, flip it and pull the paper upwards like this. Again flip it and tuck the paper inside like this and you will get this beautiful design at the end. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please